Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're doing meals in the campfire. So let's do this. I come back here to get some twigs, and look what I found. It's a rabbit. Right here. It's pretty cool. testaroo. Wow, that's hot. Okay, so that's about 350. So now, I'm gonna pet mine again. Why is mine so small? Now we'll just wait for about 30-45 minutes and
just pulling it right here. Put that there, it would block it from falling in that hole, you know? What? I think it needs some on this, like on this thing. Yeah.
oh my gosh.
Is it hot?
Checking if mine's done. Well guys, this should be done. I'm gonna taste the tater real quick. Oh, it smells so stinking good. Oh, that is good. Try just a bit of turkey here. Ouch, that's hot. Man. Oh my gosh, that is so good. But yeah. I'm gonna get off here so I can eat the rest of this. Because I'm kind of hungry. But, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, cooking videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.